Hello everyone, this is Nitin and you are watching Soul for Tech. Today let's talk about Nothing by Kalpi. Kalpi was the co-founder of OnePlus. He was the pillar behind OnePlus' success back in the day. But when he left the company, many tech enthusiasts and even OnePlus fans were curious about what his next step would be. But one day, to everyone's surprise, he announced his new company with a unique name, Nothing. So today we'll talk about Nothing's origin and what it would actually deliver to the present tech world. Let's have a look at the first teaser video by Nothing.
It's easy to make something. Even easier when it's just like the thing before it. And the one before that. But like all good things, this one starts from scratch. No notes, no blueprints, no map to find our way back. We're rethinking everything, from what we make and how we make it, to what goes in and what goes out. A giant reset button for all things innovation. And so we go, confident that what's in reach isn't worth reaching for. We know, because we tried reaching a little further and came up with nothing.
According to Nothing, the current technology doesn't feel like nothing, if that makes any sense. And to re-engineer it, we need newer technologies that redefine everything like how we use, interact, talk and feel tech. We need a restart button. Thus came Nothing with the principles that lay the foundation for the next gen technology which believes in the power of less, bit by bit, pixel by pixel and layer by layer. Nothing collaborated with the Swedish company Teenage Engineering as their partner, which will drive the design aesthetics at Nothing. This company is known for its emblematic first product, the Portable Wonder Synthesizer OP1, launched in 2010 and still used by world-famous musicians till date. They have been developing highly acclaimed products for the people who love sound, music and design. Teenage Engineering, just like Nothing, is a unique company focusing on native design from the core principles of electronics. This fabulous, fantastic idea is backed by famous investors and entrepreneurs like Casey Neistat, Kunal Shah from India, and also by the tech-giant Google's investment arm, Google Ventures. Kalpi succeeded in making it trustworthy by allowing users to invest early in Nothing, and in fact, people responded with 1.5 million USD in 54 seconds, which is a new record in the history of crowdfunding. Nothing has been different and genuine from its own logo font that throws back us into the 1950s antique methods such as dot matrix printing, flat colors like black, white, blue and red. Now let's talk about their first product, Year One. Year One is based on the design concept one that takes inspiration from a grandmother's tobacco pipe. The company says they try to ground their objects in something familiar which they hope would make them feel fresh for many years into the future. So it's very interesting to see a company like Nothing to make its way into the current tech world. And we can't wait to try out their very first product, Year One, and what they are about to offer in the future.